Welcome back to another video on the group channel. Today I'm here with Elijah and Galaxy.
Do you know being cool is not cool, and did you realize that being cool is cool?
From the Boys on VR. And today
Yeah.
we're gonna be exploring the new biolab update thing.
Update thing.
Okay guys,
Yeah.
what's going on? What's going on, guys?
Yeah, guys. So if you want a tutorial on how to beat the biolab thing or not beat it, just do it. I think this is the video for you, man. You've been searching and searching. I'm just kidding. I think there's like 50 videos on it. But wait, what? Oh. So we're just gonna be doing a tutorial basically while having fun with it at the biolab map. Oh yeah. All seriousness, all funny jokes aside, really serious. Really serious. Glow stick, bro. That's a really glow stick. The hell?
I am a glow stick.
Oh, you're getting too bad. Should've. Hey.
Actually, hey Mecca.
You can't grapple on here, right?
Yeah, it's over. Alright.
I don't know, guys. We're exploring this map.
What the? Okay.
Chicken, guys. It's a fat chicken.
Alright.
Not growl at me. Ew. Cause this is Zombo.
Wait, what? Zombie chickens are zombies? Zombie chickens are chickens? Oh, wrong way. Wrong way.
When bro says he's cool, he's really not cool. Only cool people say I'm Timmy Tough Knuckles. I'm a Timmy Tough Knuckles. Yo, something's chasing me. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing. It's just a joke. I'm just playing, bro. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. Wait, where's the? Oh, I knew where it was this whole time. Why isn't it shutting? Does the gate not shut anymore? Yo, why is it on a tree? What is it doing right here? Bro, I'm just looking at it and pick it up, bro. How am I gonna get through, bro? I'll just wait until he walks away. Uh-oh, something saw me. No, I just died.
No, where are you? Where?
Alright, I'll wait a
Yeah, we were trying to, but then freaking the Galaxy got caught, bro. Wait, is he following me or following you? No. Oh, there's an ogre. It's a big fatty. It doesn't
Come on, bro.
box. Hold on. Let me get. Where is he? Where is he?
He just. I'm right here.
Oh, the door's almost just closed on me. I mean, it did. Alright, go. Wait, wait, wait. Never mind.
Just get smushed by the door.
Check.
What, did they go in their little corner or?
No, no.
They went in the little corner.
Really?
Yeah, they're not there.
Yes. Alright, come on, boys.
Wait.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, never mind. Elijah. Oh, never mind. They spawn. Here, I'll leave them more.
Yeah.
They're better, so don't come yet. Oh, I think no. There's enough time for you to come in and stick to the wall. No, they're like at. Yeah, they're like far away from the wall. You have enough time. No, they're in me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright.
There.
Yes, they're going to their hiding spot.
Wait, watch it. Wait.
So if they ever go into this spot, like in this corner over here, that means that you could just drop down safely. There's no freaking troubles. So after this point, once we're done with this, once this guy's done with the code, so this will open up, and then you guys have to go inside of here.
Oh, there's no monsters in here.
Yeah.
Press this elevator.
Does it work?
No, bro, that is not working.
Sorry, elevator temporarily out of order. What do you think?
No, it works. I promise you, bro.
Nice one.
Bro,
Oh,
this is where I drop my grappling.
you're sorry.
And then, I think, yeah,
You're
sure. Bro.
glad. Okay, so here's where the monsters actually like.
Security is always shut down, so happy with that. Whoever comes down my turf will be eliminated. You dare to come near me, I will eliminate you.
Hey, you guys left me!
I accidentally clicked the button.
Uh-oh.
I was reloading my
I
revolver.
don't think we need to go back down. I think it's like, yeah.
Hey.
Fortunately, we're cool.
Oh my.
Whoa, so much tape, guys.
Oh.
And we know, I know. Oh my god, bro. Dude, who ever threw that big? What? Oh, this one actor. Ah!
Oh, yeah. So, have you ever died? Just, yeah.
Wait, is it active?
Yeah, it was just
Okay.
I shall now break whatever. I'm a thief, guys. Alright, we know what to do here.
Guys,
gotta go this
take a right, guys. Take a right. No. Oh, Karen is here. Or whatever. There's a crate, but I don't want to go get it. Wait, there's a button right here. I just pressed it. I just pressed the button, bro. I'm good. Wait, guys. I just pressed the button to the red light, green light, bro.
Oh, Elijah, I'm here. Come on, go, go, go. And then stick on the wall immediately.
I think you guys are the wrong way.
I know, we're just... Alright, we're
Yo,
going.
Armstrong, hey!
Oh! Hey, you can't get out. Oh, never mind.
Come on.
Oh, I forgot about that. I'm gonna shoot him with my crowbar. Oh,
Wait,
yes.
can't, is he in invincible?
No. Alright, go, 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 go.
Go here. Oh.
I'm waiting for you.
I think you're just wrong.
I know, we were just exploring around the green. Alright. Oh, the stupid eye thing is running. I don't have any yet right now. Oh, help me. Oh, frick you, freaking Slurpy dude. I forgot what to call him. Pikachu. And eyeballs. I lost them. Trust. Bro, you guys should always trust me for
I got another grapple.
No, I have like 50. Oh, what? Thing? Oh. Oh, yeah, I have a.
Oh, bro, I thought you were.
Oh, here. Elijah.
Crossbow.
Oh, that scared me. Help me. Yo, Elijah. Take this, thingy.
Okay.
Oh, my monkey backpack. Let's go. Wait.
So much monkey noises.
Alright.
Wait, does this go on your back? Oh, it does.
What?
The sword.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, I make it. Nice one.
No, another one. What the? I hit this man. No, we're going the right direction.
We're in the right way, dude.
Yeah, no, we're going.
Yeah, bring them over.
No, we're not at red light, green light no more. We're far. We're going the right direction now. Hey. Yeah, dude. Oh my god, I ran out of freaking revolver ammo. Shoot! My bad. Stand. No. Alright, now. Hey. We heard that you were being bad. From far away, it looks like Gord, bro. I don't know why. Yeah. Look at this monkey. Hopefully. No. Oh. No. I don't even have the plushie room yet.
I thought that was a plushie, bro. But...
Oh, wait! I mean, nah, bro. It is trust me, man. Oh, yeah. I mean, it was like somewhere over here. Oh!
Yo, I thought you were pro at this, bro.
No, bro. See, you should always trust me with direction, bro.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
sure.
always the best.
Last time.
No one's better than me with for directions. No one's.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know what? I don't know if I can believe that one.
Yeah, bro. Nah, bro, that's so true. Like, you could ask the first person that trusted me. He's dead. Bro. Maybe. Oh my god, I heard the freaking Pikachu guy.
Oh,
Is this one?
that scared me.
Oh, more ice.
Are you out?
Yo!
Hold on. You're out?
Well, yeah, but I have a lot more.
A crowbar.
Whoa, wait. Oh, English right there. Oh, crowbar!
Something just hit me. Whoa, what just happened?
I don't know, bro.
Alright. Oh no, it was. I remember eating. What's this?
Hey, yo, what is Karen doing here?
Karen, where? Oh, that's bad. So, what do we do about Karen?
Yeah, she's
What
not
is
bad.
that? Oh, it's a grappler. Can she break out?
Oh, yeah. What? Oh, wait, we're at the. Hey! We've made a lot of stuff.
This is a different one.
Yeah, but there's more now. What can I hit it with? Oh, I hear Armstrong.
Armstrong's right there, that's why. Oh, he just broke out. Armstrong just went through the wall. Bro, bro.
I know, bro. I don't know how he keeps teleporting. Do we have a melee weapon?
No. Didn't you have a crowbar?
Oh, I threw it.
Oh.
You had to go. Yeah, let's go. Both of us got crowbars, and then we just left them. But don't worry. They're like right over here.
Oh, there's a crowbar right there.
Oh yeah, I got more blood, guys, bro. I'm about to put. I just made 4 guys.
Uh-oh.
So there's 2 types of games. This symbol matching game. We have to like match these symbols.
Yes.
Together. And then we can get symbols. So
Wait, can you break them up?
yeah.
Yes.
And then there's this game where you have to try and like try and like perfectly time it. It's this. Nope. It's a symbol. I couldn't show you guys it.
Let's go. First try. I just banned this one, bro.
Oh my tree.
No.
Oh my door.
Yes.
Wait, give me it.
Hmm?
Oh, just give me one. Oh,
Oh, I think we can get. No, wait. No, we can't. We gotta wait. Okay, let's go.
alright, that's it. Let's go. Oh shit, those are.
Hello?
Oh, she broke out.
Yeah, she ain't
No. No, Karen.
Yes, she is.
You gotta shoot her base. And shoot, or something. Karen.
Oh, revolver ammo. I need this actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we just found that out.
Oh, I got a freaking. Don't play these tech deck.
Oh, what?
We just got a tech deck, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Let's store this.
Oh, is this a chocolate bar? Oh, no, it's a Reese.
A chocolate bar. Alright. Let's keep going. Also, you don't really need a light for this part. It's all this like. Oh my god! Right there, right there. Oh, that scared me. I feared Armstrong. The Pikachu.
Oh, I got an RPG.
Oh! Yo, you know who you should shoot? I
Ooh.
have an idea.
Break them up,
Oh! Go!
You guys,
Hey!
over here.
Dude. We're experimenting. Oh, more
Oh yeah, this.
girlfriend.
Yo, hold on. Yo, watch out. Let me show you what it does. Makes you rainbow.
Yo.
Yo, Galaxy,
What's up?
look what we got. Money talks. Money talks. Hey! Galaxy, we need to store it.
Man, I've been putting them in since I don't have a bag. Actually, what?
No,
I don't.
I'm the only one with the bag. With the monkey.
Yo.
Yeah?
Yo, you guys want some big money? You guys want some big money, bro?
Oh
Here's some
my
big money, bro. Here's
god.
some big money.
Well, I've been robbing machines.
And no flaw and they belong. No! Thought I could order a fart. Hey, buddy.
Get up.
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna.
Wait, where did we go to the radioactive area again? I think it's like over here. Like,
Yo, I got a bag.
oh, bet we could sell that for cash.
Oh, Armstrong is walking through the wall,
No, bro, you freaking scared me. Oh, it's right here.
Okay, wait.
Okay, there he is.
Oh, 2 Armstrongs.
Ow! Oh!
Got him.
Oh, nice. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, revolver ammo.
Oh,
Do you need? Oh my gosh. Do you need this?
We could, actually, yeah.
What is happening over here, man?
Yeah, reload it.
Yo, what's that? God. Yo, be crazy if I set off every green light, bro.
If you do, then we're dead. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, wait. Put
I mean,
this in your
his
backpack.
cage is broken.
Put this ruby in your backpack.
Hey. Angler's out! He's right there.
Bro,
He's just chilling.
I thought he was right behind me. Okay,
Dude, what if I shine a light at him?
do it.
Yo, hold on, where's Angler?
Wait, let me put this in your backpack.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me drop
hold
down.
Yo, Angler, say goodnight!
Oh! Alright. No. You're too monkey, man.
Oh, Karen.
Eyeball. No, it's an eyeball.
Oh yeah.
Yo, eyeball monster! Time to make you gay!
Hey, yo.
Oh, I love these.
Yo, there's a chicken. I mean, turkey, sorry.
Where?
Right here. We're evil.
Yeah, you guys want a duck?
That's tough. Now let's go. Oh. Where is it?
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Oh. Well, why'd you activate it?
What that was right way, so.
Was that where the scary angler guy came from?
I'm kidding. I think this is where we go.
Oh, you think?
No,
Oh,
this
okay.
It's over here.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
I
the
don't
left.
know who I trust, bro. You guys are both
Yeah,
kind of
you-
delusional.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Avery. I think you're delusional.
Hey, what? Wait, do you guys see it?
No, I
what?
can't see it. It's.
No, yeah, look, I can just walk through it.
But that's how it was when we first got here.
It's not here. Do you see it?
Yeah?
Oh, for me it's not there.
It's not there for me either.
Yeah.
It's over here. Have you ever went over here?
Oh, that's where, what do you call it, that one dude was.
What, dude? I actually don't know what you guys are talking about.
Yo, Galaxy, take.
Pause,
man.
Give me a minute. Oh, this is the way, this is the way to teleport back.
Oh.
Right there.
Alright.
Happy birthday.
7,
Navidad.
8,
Feliz Navidad.
9,
Yes.
10. Should we merge? I mean, should we do it?
Yeah. I think.
Ew, it's ugly,
I
bro.
literally can't see anything.
Yeah, bro, I can't.
You can't see what I have in my hands?
I could see
Oh,
that,
yeah,
but I can't
but
see when it
I
falls.
can't-
Or I can't see the whole
I can't-
machine.
Yeah, that's. Yeah.
Whoa, what's that up
Right
there?
over here.
Actually, I don't know. What is it?
Oh, is it?
It's like super no clip-ish thing, but
I think you have to go to the roof for that. I'm kidding.
yo, there's a tunnel right here. Guys, Avery, come here, come up here. You can't? Why? Yo, I legit actually need to show you guys something. I'm in vents now. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Wait, yes, I'm almost in vents. I can't fully get in vents. It's okay.
You can hear me. Wow.
And I tried to tell you, but you said you couldn't come up there, so I just left. Bro, why is it so hard to move? I'm like, I can't move, bro. You guys see me? Bro, I'm like, I can't move at all. Right here.
Oh, what the? Why? Oh, you're small. That's why. Oh, they're up. That's why.
Yeah. Hey, yo, that me was there?
Hey.
Oh, ridiculous. Hi, bro.
What do you mean, dude? Hey, step back.
Oh. I died. Who's the pasta? Oh, nice. I don't know. Wait, what the heck? Hey, yo, who's that?
Back away from me! I have a weapon!
Okay, so is this the full map of biolab?
I think.
Is there more to explore?
I don't know.
It's over. You like me, girl? You're so small. Bong. 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 I shouldn't say. Well, I just realized this thing. No, I don't know what HP is at.
Okay, well, is this the full biolab? Because now it's
think.
like... Okay,
I think so.
let's end it.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We hope you really enjoyed it. And make sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.